Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Suzanne coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, March 23rd, 2018. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 27 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 42 and a low of 30, with sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Logan, Sandy,
Max,
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks lost to the Vancouver Canucks by a score of 5-2. In preseason baseball, the Cubs lost to the San Francisco Giants by a score of 4-3. And the Sox won against the Arizona Diamondbacks with a score of 3-1. Clubs meeting today are 6th grade band buddies in the band room at 11:45. Today's announcements are today's Herbie Heroes lunch. Meet Mrs. Ankrum and Miss Canoon in room 208 for lunch. Today's school store. Come down at lunch and stock up on supplies. Great job, 5th and 6th grade band. The concerts last night at Keller and Eisenhower were awesome. Now please watch this fire safety video made by the production studio.
Fire safety is if there's a fire in the house, we have to go outside. If you want to stay inside the house, you have to call the firefighters to put out the fire. I would get out of the house and get away from the fire. Make sure to get out of the house. Make sure your family knows that you're outside. Fire safety is if a fire's there, you need to get out safely. If a fire's there, you should try to find a safe place.
Now a message from Mrs. Ankrum and Miss Canoon.
Yeah, we know. She's got a lot going on. Whatever. Howdy, Hoover. Good morning, wonderful, lovely Hoover staff and students. It was so great to see everybody today on our final day before spring break. We see plaid shirts, bandanas, cowboy hats, boots.
I didn't even recognize Mrs. Ankrum this morning because she's got a lot going on right now.
This is my norm. We know that.
She's got the orange working and the cowboy stuff.
Yeah, it all goes together really
well.
well.
Going on. Looks great.
Yeah, it does look great. Thank you. It is National Chip and Dip Day. So as soon as you get home today, you can enjoy your break and chips and dip.
And it is National Puppy Day.
Aww.
Yay. Everybody in the studio just went, aw, because they're so cute.
We love puppies, so if you don't have a puppy, tell mom and dad over spring break. It's a great
Get a puppy.
That's a great spring break thing to do is get a puppy.
Get a puppy.
All right, so we'll go ahead and get started. We have teachers who have been framed. We have our lovely secretaries that we cannot wait to talk about. I have Mrs. Shoemaker, who is organized, funny, persistent, bubbly, awesome, sweet, upbeat, hilarious, helpful, and fun.
And I have Mrs. Boeing, and we could not make the school run without her. She is a multitasker, wonderful, helpful, valuable for sure, caring, kind, and amazing.
Yes, we do love them. They help us every day.
Yes.
So thank you for that. And then we are so excited to say now, Mensa winners, please wait until after announcements to go down so that we can come and dance with you. But an exciting announcement about Mensa winners today is that we actually have a student from each grade level who got nominated. So every single grade level was set up in the office today with at least one Smensel. So thank you to the staff also who have been taking the time to recognize each of our students. And we'll get started.
So Maya from room 211.
Brianna in 206.
Charlotte from 209.
Vishak in 106.
Zareen in 106.
Hassam in 109.
Benjamin in 202.
Sophia in 113.
Mahir in 119.
Thompson in 108.
Ryan in 201.
Medna in 114. And that's it. Congratulations.
Good job.
All right, we've got some Herbie winners. We're each going to pull a couple. Here we go.
Mix them up.
I've got Veronica in 112.
I got Janavi in room 206.
Andrew in 112.
And Jared in room 120.
Ananya in 214.
I have Owen in 211.
Mana in, this one's hard to read, possibly 119.
We have Veronica in 206.
Nadia in 214.
AJ in 206.
Alexandra in 106. We'll each pull one more.
And Maggie in 211.
And last one, Natalia in 214.
Good job.
All right, I think that's what we have. And then we have, come on up for the school song.
Your favorite ukulele,
Yep,
ladies.
come on up right in front, guys.
Right here,
Right in
right
front.
here.
Stand right
Come on in front.
Good morning.
Come on up here.
It was super cool to see everybody dress up this week for Music in Our Schools Month. All the rock star hair yesterday and all the play, like Mrs. Ankrum said today. So great job in that spirit, and let's do our school song.
Go in.
Up with Hoover, they love us wherever we go. Up with Hoover is the greatest school we know. We work together, we learn together, we're tops in every way. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray, hooray!
Yes, Mrs. Ankrum.
I know,
Yeah.
getting into Logan got me into it.
Oops. Careful of the equipment, kids.
Thank you, Mrs. Ankrum and Miss Canoon. Friday's fact is, today's Puppy Day. Puppy Day celebrates the most adorable of our footed friends, the baby dog. It doesn't matter what kind of breed, large or small, all puppies are the perfect solution to a terrible day. They'll cuddle with you and even lick your face. When Puppy Day comes around, you better be ready for a barking good time. There is no way to avoid it when the day is about the ultimate ball of heart-melting fluff. That's all for today. This week's broadcast has been brought to you by the Super Squad production team. Have a happy, finally it's Spring Break Friday.